Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, dear children.
Good morning,
Morning,
ma'am.
How are you all?
Ma'am.
Fine, thank you, ma'am.
How are you?
Thank you, ma'am.
Fine.
Fine, thank you.
Very good. So I'm so happy to see you all. Okay. So welcome to literature class.
Thank you.
So we have
Thank you,
completed our first chapter. Do you remember the name of our first chapter?
Yes, ma'am. David Copperfield.
David Copperfield. David
Enjoy learning that?
Yes, ma'am. Very interesting.
Did you like the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. I have uploaded the notes in our website. I hope you have seen that. Should we start writing?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, how to take the website?
I will help you. I will help you towards the end. Okay. I will tell you. I'll
Okay,
clear
ma'am.
all your doubts at the end of the session. All right. If you have any doubts, you keep it ready with you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now, for the time being, everyone mute. Everyone mute. Everyone mute and listen. Okay. Because I don't want so many noises or any kind of disturbances to come into our session. So everyone mute. Okay, very good. Thank you. So now we are moving on to our next chapter. Okay, another new chapter. Yes. The title of the story is
Happy Prince.
The Happy Prince. It's a story. It's a very beautiful story that we are going to learn today. Okay. So
Ma'am, I
before
know the story.
Yes, you know the story, Agne. Very good, very good. You might have read it in the book. Okay, some of you might have read early, but I think there will be few of you who may not know the story. Okay, so whether you know it or not, anyway, we have to learn it this year. All right. So before we move into a story, we have to know the details of the author, don't we? Yes or no?
Oscar Wilde.
Yes. Do you want to know about the author?
No question answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Oscar Wilde.
No, there is no
Oscar Wilde. Yes. The author of a story. The name of the author of the story, Happy Princess, the Oscar Wilde.
There is no
Good
question.
morning, ma'am.
Okay. Children, I told you to mute and keep. In between, if you keep on asking me something or if you keep on saying me something, then we will not be able to proceed with our class. Okay. So keep in muted mode. I'm going to introduce the author for you. Let's have a look at the photographs of the author. I know that you know the name of the author, Oscar Wilde. Let us have a look at the photograph. Yes, I'm sharing the screen for you. Here it is. Can you all see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'll zoom it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
this is a man. This is a man called Oscar Wilde. Have you seen him before?
No,
No, for the first time.
Ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
This is
No, ma'am.
Oscar Wilde. OSCARWILDE.
D-E.
Yes, Oscar Wilde. The spelling is very important, okay? Oscar Wilde.
Sure, ma'am.
Now, let's see a few more images. Yes, this is another image of Oscar Wilde. This is again another image. All right.
Ma'am, can you zoom it?
Zoom in? Yes. I hope you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All
Ma'am,
right.
we can't zoom it.
Yes. So this is a more clear picture. Okay. Out of the three pictures that I have shown you, this is the more clear one.
And there is a fourth picture on that.
Fourth picture?
There is
I will show you. I will show you. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will show you. Okay. So this is Oscar Wilde. Do you know to which nation he belonged?
UK.
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 England.
England.
Guesswork.
London. Russia.
Not
Australia.
Russia. Not
America.
Australia. Not America.
Canada.
Okay. Sing little ones. Stop guessing. I'll tell you.
New Zealand.
London.
New Zealand.
Yes.
New Zealand.
Oscar Wilde. I'm going to write the details here. You can copy it down into your notebook. Oscar Wilde is an Irish writer. Okay? An Irish writer. Oscar Wilde is an Irish writer. That means he was born in Ireland.
Ireland.
Yes, Ireland. He was born in Ireland. He was born on 16th October 1854. He was born on, this is the birth date, okay? Birth date of Oscar Wilde. He was born on 16th October 1854. And do you want to know his full name?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you like to know his full name?
Ma'am.
I can see so many hands. So many of you have raised your hands. Very good. His full name is very big. Any idea? No, I know that. I don't have any idea. So let's have a look at the full name of Oscar Wilde. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Full name is, you can note it down in your notebook. Oscar, be quiet, mute it and listen here. Oscar Fingal O'Flaherty. It's a very big name, okay? O'Flaherty Wills Wilde. No sounds in between. Look at the name. It's a very big name. Oscar Fingal O'Flaherty Wills
3 lines.
Wilde. Yes. Did you all like it?
It's very big name, ma'am.
It's very big. Yes.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
It's very big.
Ma'am,
name.
there is
Yes, my dear little ones. Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Like this information about Chance Dickens, and you didn't send the notes about him in the WhatsApp.
But then I have showed you in the class, right?
Yes,
Should I
ma'am.
send it to you?
For the
through WhatsApp
details
also?
of-
Why I'm showing it?
Ma'am,
in the
can you
class?
show the screen again?
Yes,
Ma'am,
I'll show
can
you.
you
I'll
show
show
the
you.
screen
Wait, I'll show you. Don't worry.
Ma'am, in the website it will be there.
Ma'am, can you say some more loudly?
Let me tell you one thing. I'm showing the images and the details about the author in the class. You're seeing it on the screen.
Yes,
So at
ma'am.
that time, if you can note down, please note down. And those who could not note it down, just send me a message in the WhatsApp. Okay. Then I
Ma'am,
will
in the
put it
website
in the group.
it will be there.
In the website, you will have only the meanings. Only the meanings and the question answers. Okay. The notes. Meanings and the question answers will be sent to you on the website. All right.
Ma'am, so what we will find on the folder?
Till once I told you, I will clear all your doubts at the end of the class. You keep it in your mind. Now, let me proceed with the details about Oscar Wilde. Okay. So, I'm going to share the screen for you. Mute it and be ready there. So,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Oscar Wilde is an Irish writer. He was born in Ireland on 16th October 1859. His full name is Oscar Fingal O'Flaherty Wills Wilde. Did you all see that? Yes. This is the full name. The name is very big. And we have taken the first part of the name and the last part. The first name and the last name, and we have put it together as Oscar Wilde. That is how the author is popularly known as. Clear?
Ma'am, every others are long names.
It's not necessary. It's not necessary. During Oscar Wilde's time, it was a great fashion to give long names for the children. So that is why it happened like that. Okay, sometimes you find that the people may have lengthy names, sometimes they have very short names. It depends. It depends. During Oscar Wilde's time, it was a great fashion.
Oscar Wilde born.
He was born on 16th October 1854. born on 16th October 1854. So during that time, it was a great fashion to give lengthy names for the children. That is why his father and mother gave the names like that. Yes, Gautam? Do you have any doubt? Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, yes.
Ma'am, world's biggest name is a child in Nigeria.
Oh, very good, very good. Good information. World's biggest name is for the child who is in Nigeria. Do you know the name?
No, ma'am, it's very big, ma'am.
Oh, very, very big. So unable to by heart it, right? Okay,
Ma'am,
great,
Can you
great.
say?
in the Google we can see,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, okay. If we search in the Google, we can find it. Okay, very good, very good. Very good information.
Ma'am, Ananda
Yes.
told
Ma'am,
that
can you say the
it's
name?
very big, so I think it will reach 1 kilometer.
Yes, Richard?
Ananda told that's a big name, so I think it will
pushing.
reach 1 kilometer.
Okay, okay, okay. Oh, dear children, you're so humorous in responding. Okay, good, good. So shall I proceed? Shall I proceed with few more details about
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Sure.
Charles, not Charles. Oscar
let's-
Wilde.
Oscar
Father and
Wilde?
mother.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show the
Ma'am, yes,
father
ma'am.
and mother? Father and mother of.
That I'll show you in the next class. Okay. So now,
Okay, ma'am.
now you just take down the name of his father. Name of his father, Sir William. Sir William. I'll show you the photographs of his parents in the next session.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Sir
It's
William.
very
That is
short
the
name,
name of his
Excuse me, ma'am.
father.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it bigger like him?
No, 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 no. Father's name is not that big. His father was an eye surgeon. And his mother's name is a bit lengthy.
Oh no, what the hell?
Children, please mute and keep it. I can hear some sound coming from you.
Ma'am,
Why
Oscar's
you're making
mother
some
or
sound?
Oscar's father's mother?
Why you're making some sound? I
Ma'am,
don't want unnecessary sounds coming to my class.
ma'am, Oscar's mother or Oscar's father's mother?
Oscar's mother. Okay, we don't want to go into so detail like that. We are discussing about Oscar Wilde's parents only, not about Oscar's father's mother. Okay, no need of that. Jane Francesca. Agnes. Okay, Jane Francesca Agnes. She was popularly known as Lady Wilde. What? Lady Wilde. And okay, I hope you are noting down. These details I'm just giving you as a kind of extra information. You need not
And she was
learn
a
all these
surgeon?
things for exam. Okay?
Ma'am,
You need not learn the entire details about Oscar Wilde in detail. This is just for your external information. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear.
I'm just giving you the details of
excuse
where he was born, to which nation he belongs, and what is his full name, his parents' name, and so on. Those are the extra informations given to you.
and did
Okay.
brothers or sisters? Did he have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, yes, of course, of course. He has got one brother and a sister. But unfortunately, his sister died at the age of 9. His sister was the youngest in the family. She died at the age of 9 due to some childhood disease. And Oscar Wilde was so depressed about it. Okay. Oscar Wilde was born as the second child of his parents. He had a brother, elder brother, and a younger sister. He was born as a second child to his parents.
Ma'am,
Sir
now
William
Oscar
and
Wilde is.
for
Oscar
Jane.
Wilde is not dead.
Okay, and then
Oscar
at the
Wilde
age
is
of
dead, ma'am.
children, what are you doing there? Are you communicating with me or among yourself? Mute it and listen. Everyone. I will not encourage any unnecessary talking in my class. You have to maintain strict discipline. Okay. Listen first, and then if you have any doubts, you can ask. So Oscar Wilde was an Irish writer. He was born in Ireland on 16th October 1854. And his full name is Oscar Fingal O'Flaherty Wills Wilde. It's a lengthy name. It was a fashion during that time, so his parents gave him a very long name. He was the second child of his parents. He had an elder brother and a younger sister, but the younger sister died at the age of 9 due to a childhood disease. And he was very much depressed throughout his life because the family, his parents, himself and his brother, they all loved the younger sister very much, the young child of their family very much. But her death made a very bad impact on his life. Yes?
What is the name of his siblings?
Siblings name, I have not noted it down. You do it as a homework. Okay. So next class when you come, you can note it. As I told you, these are external information. You don't have to go into detail about it. There will be no questions for the exam. What is the name of Oscar Wilde's father or mother or sister's name or brother's name? No questions will come. I'm just giving you a rough idea about his family. That's it. Okay. And his occupation was, he was a short story writer, he was a playwright, and he is a poet as well. What do you mean by playwright? Playwright means the one who writes many plays or novels or dramas. Okay, plays, dramas. Novel is different from play. Okay, the one who writes dramas or one who writes playwright.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, he was a novelist, playwright, and
he is not a novelist. He is a playwright. He has written many plays.
ma'am, he's a playwright and
Playwright, P-L-A-Y-W-R-I-G-H-T.
ma'am, not the spelling. Ma'am, he's a playwright and any other occupation?
Yes.
Poet.
Playwright. You just listen to me, children, first. After that, you ask me questions. Most of you, without listening, you are asking me again and again. That is not a good practice, okay? So playwright, occupation as a playwright. Then short story writer. Short story writer. He has written many short stories. And then poet. He has written many poems as well. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So he has served as a playwright, short story writer, and a poet. Now let us have a look at some more images of with regard to Oscar Wilde. This is a cover page of the book written by Oscar Wilde, Stories for Children. He has written many stories for children. This is a cover page. I'm zooming it for you. Hope you all can see. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next cover page. Oscar Wilde Stories for Children. So dear children, when you come back to school, go to the library and search for Oscar Wilde's short stories. Okay. Definitely you will find
Okay, ma'am.
our library
ma'am.
and you can enjoy reading all this.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, good. This is another cover page of Oscar Wilde's fairy tales. Now, the story which we are going to learn is titled as
The Happy
Prince. The Happy Prince. This is a cover page of the book. This is a cover page of the book that includes the short story Happy Prince. Okay, The Happy Prince and Other Tales by Oscar Wilde. This is again another cover page. So, can you all see it?
Yes,
ma'am.
Happy
One
Pinjan.
picture is there in the ma'am, like this one picture is there in our book and textbook.
Like, there is a bird.
Sorry.
Like standing like this.
Yes,
A
yes,
picture.
yes, yes. This kind of picture is there in your textbook. Yes,
But
this
there
is the
is a
cover
bird
page
here.
of the storybook.
Ma'am,
written by Oscar Wilde.
Ma'am, I have read the Malayalam story of this.
Very good, very good, very good. Now, this is the cover page of Oscar Wilde's poems, selected poems of Oscar Wilde. Okay, this is a cover page of the poems written by him. And this is again another one, the poetry of Oscar Wilde. So as I told you, he has written many poems also. All right. Now, this is a famous quote said by Oscar Wilde. Chinmay, can you just read it for me?
Yes, ma'am.
To
Very
live
good.
is the rare thing in the world. Most people exist, that is all.
Yes, to live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist, that is all. Children, what do you understand by this quote? Oscar Wilde has given so many relevant quotes related to life, related to men and women. Many life-inspiring quotes has been said by Oscar Wilde. Can anyone just try to explain that quote? Once again, I'll show you. To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist, that's all. Who can give me the meaning of that? Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Living
Why
is
did
so
you
hard.
unmute? Why did you unmute if you can't explain? Gautam,
Living is very hard.
it's a bit hard for you to explain?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Yes or no?
Living is very hard, but exit is very easy.
Yes, ma'am.
I know you're little ones. Let me see whether you can derive meaning on your own.
Ma'am, what is the question?
Ma'am, what is the correct answer, ma'am?
What is the question?
I
Did
know.
you see the quote that was on the screen?
Ma'am, what is the answer? Now, correct answer.
You see that? To live is the rarest thing. Most of the people just exist. That's all. One at a time. One at a time. Those who want to give me the response, just raise your hand.
This hard to read. Ma'am, I know.
Okay, Angelina. We'll start with Angelina.
Ma'am, is that means like every people are thinking that the life is the very hardest one,
Hmm.
and most people thinks that like that.
Okay, almost correct. People think that life is very tough. Life is very hard. Okay.
And exit is
Okay,
very
Gautam.
old. And exit is very old.
Make it louder, Gautam. I cannot hear you.
And the death is very easy. That means
Keep your mouthpiece close to your mouth.
the death is very easy. Do you think?
Death is very easy.
No. That is all. I don't know.
To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most of the people exist. That's all. Somebody else. Manu,
Most of the people.
Angelina, your chance is over. Manu, let me give chances to everyone. Manu, can you just tell me?
I think he's saying that.
Hmm.
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, don't worry. Fia.
Ma'am, that some people think that it's the life is very hard, and when we die, when we exit, we will be understand that the life is not very hard. Something in
Ma'am, can I?
Somehow, okay, Anusri.
Ma'am, the life is very rare, but people are simply wasting the time. I think so.
Okay, life is very rare. Okay. So, dear little ones, you have tried to derive the meaning of that quote as possible as you can, but it's not that accurate. It's not that perfect, but then I will help you. To live is the rarest thing in the world, which means to live and exist. There is a difference. What do you mean by living? Really living. If you live your life, living, that means to live your life means it's not that easy. We know that lots of difficulties comes in our life. Okay, lot of problems comes in our life. Life is a mixture of happiness and sorrow. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, life is a mixture
Yes,
of
ma'am.
happiness and sorrow. We will not be having a very good time always, but we will have to go through hardships. We will have to go through difficult times. We will be having tough times. But to live, that means we have to overcome the problems. We have to make ourselves happy. We have to live in the present. To live means very active. We have to be active. We have to thank each and every moment that God has given us. But most of the people find that to live is very difficult. The life that God has given to us is a rare chance for us. It is a precious chance for us. Once the breath is taken from us, we are simply useless things. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So when we have the life within us, we have to utilize it to the maximum. Try to help each other. Try to be friendly with everyone. Be lovable. Be compassionate. Okay. Try to spread happiness all around. That is what you mean by living. So it's the rarest chance. It is a very precious chance given by God to us. But most of the people do not realize this. People are always worried about their past and they are anxious about their future. They do not live in the present. Am I right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. For example, let me give you a simple example. Imagine that you have studied very well for your exam. Okay? You have studied very well for your SA1 exam. After writing the exam, after examining the question paper, you understand that you have missed out one or two questions. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
After writing the exam, you come to know that you have missed out one or two questions. Which
And
you know
somebody's making a noise.
no sound in the class. Listen here carefully. So you come to know that you have missed out one or two questions. But on the whole, you have written the answers very nicely. You have attempted all the questions and you are sure that you will be getting 90% or more than 90%. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
But then what will be your condition at that point of time when you come to know that you have missed out one or two questions?
Get worried. He'll be so
Gautam?
disappointed. Ma'am, he will become upset or worried. Ma'am, he will be so disappointed.
Yes, you will be so disappointed. Why? Because you have missed out one or two questions. You couldn't answer for that. Maybe because of carelessness or maybe because of lack of time, you couldn't finish writing. So you will be always worried about the questions that you missed out rather than being happy about what you have written very nicely. Am I right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So life is like the same. People regret about the past. We do a lot of mistakes in our life, but then there is always a chance for us to rectify the mistakes. There is always a possibility for us to correct our mistakes, learn from the mistake, and we can move ahead. But we find that people just regret
And
about
he
the
will be,
past and they worry about the future.
yes, he will be so fear
But
about
actually, what we have to do? We
He
have
will
to live in the
study.
present. We have to be happy about the present time. We have to be thankful to the God that we are alive and
Ma'am.
we have a good life.
Ma'am, we
Yes?
should not think about future.
Fia, yes?
Ma'am, we should not think about what is going to happen. We need to think about what is happening in the present.
Yes, we have to be bothered about what is happening in the present. Don't worry or don't be anxious about the
we should
future.
survive.
Of course, we have to have an aim. We have to have an aim or goal in our life. Then only we will be able to reach high positions. But
Ma'am, we
we
should
should not be
survive.
so anxious about the future. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Think
Okay.
Ma'am, we should survive.
Think about future.
Yes, so it's not about simply existing. When you are present in this world, make your presence felt by everyone. Spread happiness, be friendly, be positive, and let others know that you are living your life to the fullest. Okay, let the people come to know that you are living the life to the fullest. Merely existing will not give you a good life. Existing means, of course, you have got a life, so you are living, but nobody will come to know you. Nobody will come to know about the talents or the abilities that you have. But you have to utilize all the good qualities that you have got. That is the meaning of that quote. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Now we will
Yes, ma'am,
move on
clear.
to few more quotes here. That is, a good friend will always stab you in the front. The front. A good friend will always stab you in the front.
Ma'am, stab means
That means
This means a good friend will
Stab.
stand
Ma'am,
for everything in your front.
Stab means to hit you hardly. It refers that if you have got a good friend, definitely that person will tell you what are the negative qualities that you have. If your friend is a very good person, that person will tell you face to face what are the bad qualities that you have, negative qualities. Okay. The enemy or the bad one will stab you from the back, but the good friend will be standing face to face and he or she will be telling the bad qualities of you. Okay, so dear children, today we learned about Oscar Wilde, his full name. Do you remember that?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. About his parents, about nationality, and we also had a quick look about the works, short stories and plays and poems of Oscar Wilde, and we also dealt with two of the famous quotes. Okay, Gautam, yes, it's time for us to wind up.
okay, ma'am.
Gautam, I cannot hear you. Make it fast, make it fast.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, it's Ayman. Ma'am, I
Yes.
have a doubt. Ma'am,
Make it fast.
Ma'am, what are the notes that we should write on the paper and file it?
I will tell you. I'll tell you through WhatsApp.
Ma'am, you
Okay.
said you cleared the doubt.
Okay,
Somebody
okay.
asked
Please contact me through WhatsApp. I can clear all your doubts. Now it's time for us to wind up. You have to go through whatever we discussed today for the next class. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.